right, guys, time for another math lesson. Today is Tuesday, May 12th. We're on lesson 160, page 319 to 320. Okay, let's get started with drills. The first one we're doing is normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water would be 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Normal body temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is 212 Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water would be 32 degrees Fahrenheit. We are working on line graphs now. Graphs are ways of showing information. Some graphs show information using pictures or colored bars. A line graph shows information using lines, and that's what we're going to do today. The horizontal arms will be straight out. Like if you were putting both your arms straight out, that's horizontal. Vertical is up and down. See my arrow? Up and down. That's vertical, goes up and down. Horizontal goes out, straight out. Okay, those are the lines in our graph today. Okay, here's our graph here. It says, read the line graph. This is a line graph. Average high temperature at Arches National Park. Okay, so we want to read the graph. If we look at April, April's temperature is 70 degrees. Look at May. May is 80 degrees. See where the dot goes? That's where the degrees is. Then we go to June. June goes up to 90 degrees. See where the dot stops at? That's the degrees for June. July goes all the way up to the top because it's really hot in July. That goes over to 100 degrees. That's the hottest month. Then we go to August. It goes a little bit down, so it would go to 95 degrees. 95 degrees is where the dot goes for August. September, your dot goes here. You follow it across. Your dot is 90 degrees too. Okay, so let's answer the questions. Which month has the hottest temperature? Which month would you think has the hottest temperature? So if we look up here, we look to the highest. Which month is the highest with 100 degrees? It would be July. So here we would put July. July. Because that is the hottest temperature is July. Let's go to B. What is the average temperature for August, warmer or cooler than 90 Fahrenheit? Is the average temperature for August warmer or cooler than 90 Fahrenheit? So we want to look up here again, and we want to look at the average temperature for August. Find August. And find what is the average temperature for August, warmer or is it cooler than 90 Fahrenheit? So 90, this is 95. So what is it? It is warmer because 95 is warmer than 90 degrees. It is warmer. Okay. Warmer. Now, number 3, complete the table by writing the temperatures for each month. So let's start over here with April. April starts right here. April is the first month. It is 70. So you write the 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, what is May? May, you go up to the dot, look at the dot, see where it is, 80 degrees. May goes to the 80, so it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 80 Fahrenheit. You could put your little degree sign right there. It's that little 0. June. What is June? Go up here to June, where the dot is. Go across. What is June? June is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. 90. There's your degrees Fahrenheit. The little circle's the degrees. July. Go up to July is the top one. Go over. It's 100 degrees. It's the warmest. So July is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. What is August? August, we got to find August. Go up to the dot. Go across. August is 95 degrees. 95 degrees Fahrenheit. September, the last one. September, go up to September, find the dot, go across. What is September? September is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. 90 degrees Fahrenheit for September. All right. Find the difference in temperatures. Look at the table. Okay, from May to July. So we know that May is 80 degrees. July is 100 degrees. So we subtract. 0 from 0 is 0. Can I subtract 0 from 8? No, because there's more on the bottom. We got to cross out, put a 0, put a 10. What is 10 from 80? 10 from 8 would be 2. So 20 actually, because we have the 0 here, so it's 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the same thing again, from July to September this time. July, again, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. September is 90. Subtract 0 from 0. Can't take 0 from 9. I got to cross out. Put my 0 on top. Make this a 10. Above the 9, it's going to be a 10 now. 10 from 9 is 1. So I have 10 degrees here. 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So that would be 10. Remember your degrees is the circle Fahrenheit. Okay, let's turn it over. Let's look at the back. We've got clocks today. This is the seat work side of the paper, so I will just go over it for you. All right, this is number 1. Write the times and set the clocks. So I'm going to write what time this clock says. Remember how to count by 5s around the clock and write the number that it shows you on the clock. So you're going to write what time it is, AM here. Then here you have to draw the hands. Draw the hands to show that it height to balance rock takes a half hour. A half hour. So you got to show the half hour on this clock here. Takes a half hour. Okay, and you're going to write the number here after you do the hands. All right, and then we've got, again, you show the clock hands. Whatever time it shows you here, you write it here. Whatever time this shows you, you write here. This one is hikes to landscape arch takes 60 minutes. 60 minutes. And you will write, put the hands here, and what time it will be, and then write the amount here. What time you will finish the hike at. What time you will finish your hike. All right. And then we have number 2, fill in the blanks. So you're going to fill in the blanks with A. How many dimes are there? So your dimes are your tens. Your first number is your dimes, which are your tens. So you have 8 dimes. How many ones? 9. How many pennies? 9, because those are your ones. So 8 here, because that's your tens. 9 here is your pennies. Same thing here. 4 tens, 7 pennies. 1 10 and 2 pennies. pennies. Okay? That's how you do it. Last thing, count by 4s over the arch. Count by 3s under the arch. So on the top of the arch, you're counting by 4s. 4, 6, and then go all the way up till 48. Stop at 48. You're going to count by 3s at the bottom. Start with 3, and then go 6, and then stop at 36. And that's it for today. We'll see you next week.